Today's vintage project, we are going to be working on some vintage fashion flatsy dolls made in the late 60s by the Ideal Toy Company. So they had a botched haircut, so let's further that and give them some fresh locks, removing what they have left. They're scalped. So I have selected some yellow hair that actually they never originally came with, so thought I would do my own take on them. So I'm gonna go ahead, reroot them. As you can see, full luscious locks. We're gonna give them a little bit of a trim, and then of course we are going to give them some styling. Using some foam rollers, let that sit, give them an outfit or two, and they are just like new. This one is actually available up in the Etsy shop, so if you are looking for a canary yellow flatsy, she is there.